Hi guys, Todd here again with Todd's World Home Show, coming to you from my back side yard area today. And I've got a new product to show you today. And first I wanted to go over the back history of what we got going on out here in our back side yard for when it gets to nighttime hours and letting our doggies out. A couple years ago I put up this LANGY smart street light, solar street light. And I bought it myself, and it's been doing fantastic. I love the smart street lights for out here, and even though they're advertised as street lights, you can use them in any place that you don't have access to electricity, like a light fixture or electrical outlet. Works on total solar power, and it's got motion sensor built in. And then I like that so much, I wanted some light down here in the side yard here, so I added another LANGY solar street light. You can see right here, I kind of mounted it in a different way right here on the side of the house, kind of angled so it doesn't shine over to my neighbor's house. And that works good for this front side area. And LANGY reached out to me because they liked the videos I produced showing my viewers, and they had another product they wanted me to show you guys. So they sent it to me, and we're going to look at it today. And this is it. It's a 200 watt. That should be pretty darn bright, guys. And it's got a big solar panel. It's by LANGY. It's a solar light. No need for an electrical outlet nearby. It's even got a remote control. So guys, I'm going to try to find a place to mount this, probably up near the gate over here, the entry gate, just to light up this small area right here where we don't have any light yet. Our nearest LANGY street light is right there. So stick around, guys. Let me get this mounted and we'll see how it works. Stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So let's just kind of see what's going on here first, what we get in the box and what we're going to need to mount. So we'll open it up and see what we've got inside here. Wow, these look like they're going to be nice, big, bright LED lights here. You get up to 200 watts. It's got a fin cooling system on the back here, so I guess they can get a little warm. And it's got a bracket, swivel bracket on the back that you can adjust. It's got a clear plastic cover right here. Looks like there's a motion sensor built in right here. And next, we have got an instruction pamphlet right here, and our solar panel. 15 watt solar panel, 5 volt. Pretty big solar panel array right here with a decent amount of cord. Looks like maybe about 5 foot of cord that will plug into your light. We've got a mounting bracket here, swivel mounting bracket. This will mount to your solar panel on the sides. And here's the attachment hardware and anchors if you want to anchor it into concrete walls. And a nice little unique remote control. I like the small size of this, where you can change it to auto and brightness and to stay on for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and you can also dim it and turn it on and off. Well, I know what I've got ahead of me, so let me begin the install. So guys, you got to check this out. I made some modifications to the mounting on our solar light here. I wanted to show you before I actually mounted it, and it'd be kind of hard to tell what I've done. So we'll take a look here on the bench. I had to go scramble through some of my extra tools and hardware and stuff. And anyways, here's the solar lamp, LANGY solar lamp right here, up close. And you see there's the original bracket on it, but I had an extended bracket I found in my hardware. So it can kind of come out at an angle. Say for instance like this, off of the house. So it'll be like an angle. And then what I got here also to go along with it is this bracket to go onto the wall of the house and for it to actually stick out from the wall of the house. So that's how you're going to see it. Let me get out there. I got to drill some screws, put in some concrete screws into the side of the house with this bracket and mount the lamp to it, and we'll see how it turns out. And it's hot out there today, guys, so I'll be right back. All right, it was a hot one out there today, but I got the solar panel all mounted up with the bracket and then the extra bracket that I used and supplied to make my LED LANGY light kind of stick out an angle at a further distance from the house wall. So this is the remote control here that you get included with the package, and it does take some batteries. Batteries are not included, so if you take the back cover off, you will see you can put in, it takes 2 AAA batteries. If you put the AAA batteries in, then you'll have a remote control. I double checked the box. It doesn't come with the batteries, so at least mine didn't. And then all the control functions are included on this little pamphlet sheet, so don't throw this away until you get to learn how to operate your LANGY smart solar light. So it's got some basic mounting instructions. You can figure out the mounting, even like I did. I even modified my mounting with some extra hardware that I had in my garage. But right here, you will need to know the remote control functions. If you want to pause the screen in case you lost yours, here they are. And we'll try some of these out tonight. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. It's nighttime now. I guess close to 9 o'clock. Of course, I got my screen porch lit up. I got it hooked up to my door sensor, so they come on when I open the door. Anyways, let's go out here. Now, look at this. Here's the first LANGY light that I ever put out here. Nice and bright. Oh, Pixie, you want to come out? Come on. So, if you get back here, you can see. Nice and bright. I think that's 120 watt LANGY light. When they first came out, they didn't have as many watts. And if we come down here, I'm going to turn around here. First, you can see the LANGY light here. Look how it lights up all this area here. Just that one light there lights up the whole corner of this backyard here. And let me switch the camera around. And there's the lake view. So, first LANGY light I put out here, 120 watts. I got some LED string lights up here, house lights, to give it some decoration look. And we'll make our way around here. Now I already see the light on up there, that LANGY solar light we put up. And then the LANGY, this is the 200 watt out here on the side, I believe. And yeah, I like this light. Now we got light out here in this narrow, dark area going up to the gate area. Nice and bright. Man, that thing is bright. You can hardly look at it. It's like looking at the sun. Very bright. But it lights my way up to the gate right here. There it is, and the solar panels behind that, right there, behind that palm right there. And if we look back, it's lighting us up really good up to the pull door, which is right there, side pull door. And then we got the other LANGY light there, street light. So we've got a clear lighted path now coming in from the gate. And now, let's just see. Let's test out this remote control. Let's see, there's Pixie right there. Hey, Pix, say hi. Oh, she's looking for froggies right now. So, but I can turn it on and off with the red button. Now it's off. So look, I mean, you can't see anything until that second light out there. Now I'm going to turn it back on. Now it's back on. Now, what else do we have on here? We've got auto. And it double clicks when you make a selection. See that? So now it's on auto. I believe it will dim or turn off until it picks up motion. And then you've got 2, 4, and 6 hours after sunset for it to stay on. And then you can also dim it right here. This is the dim button. Let's see how dim it gets when I press this. I'll press it now. Oops. Dim. All right, that's half brightness, I guess. Let me try full brightness. They got brightness and dim lights. There we go. That's dim. That's full brightness. So if we look back this way, that's full brightness and that's dim. There's Pixie and the dim light and then full brightness. So it does make a significant change. And you could probably save power to make it last all night until dawn if you had it on dim. But I don't know, the size of that solar panel, I think you could probably have it on full brightness all night long if you wanted to. But of course you set it to auto and then it'll take care of itself. When it senses motion, it will come on when needed. Very nice. I'm going to walk back down here. We'll walk back up again. Make sure this is on auto. Very clear through the side yard with all these LANGY lights. I highly recommend them, guys. I highly recommend them. Now, if we turn around, there's a couple of the doggies out there, and they can see now. I mean, they can see, you know, they're looking for rodents and creatures at night. Harley and Pixie. And we can find them when we come out here too. I mean, we don't usually leave them out here alone anyway, but all right, so that's full brightness. I'm going to dim it now. Oh, I'm not close enough, I don't think. There's dim, full brightness. So dim, which is pretty darn good still. I mean, you can still hardly look at the light with your bare eyes. And then full brightness. Boom. So guys, me and Pixie approve of the new LANGY light, solar with motion and with remote control. I'm sure you guys will like it too if you liked what you saw in this video. And remember, me and Pixie will leave the link below if you want one of those lights. I'll even put the old solar street lights that I have that are still working 2 and 3 years later with really bright views to see outside in the dark. As long as you have access to sunlight, you can keep them powered all the time. Me and Pixie will see you later. Thank you for tuning into one of my videos again, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Say bye. See you on the next one.